So hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you my skincare haul. I actually went to get brand new skincare products because now I have managed to see money. I have see small money, so I actually went shopping and I'm going to be showing you guys the things that I got. These products, I am so excited to use them. I'm so excited to show them to you. I am so happy because they are things that I've actually wanted to get for a while now, and I've actually gotten them, so I'm so excited. This bag has seen things. This is the bag. This is actually the bag. So these are a lot of products. My money has finished at this point. I have no money at this point. So guys, without further ado, let's get right into the video. So the first product I got is this Nivea Perfect and Radiant. I used to use this lotion before I switched to using Vaseline and then Palmer's and the other ones. I actually wanted to try this out again, and this is actually the one I got. This is the Nivea Perfect and Radiant lotion. This is very nice. This was like 4,500 naira. I cannot really remember, but it was like around that price range. It wasn't even up to 5,000 naira. So this is something I got. This is actually one of the things I got. And then the next thing I got is this Rexona Motion Sense Stress Control deodorant, antiperspirant actually. So this is actually what it looks like. I use Dove. I just wanted to try something new. You know, this is actually, I love the smell. It smells very fresh, very mild. It doesn't have any, you know, harsh smell. And you know, I just got this one. I also got this one. You know that this is my baby. Like, you guys know that this is something I will always use. This is the Vit Gold Turmeric Super Whitening Body Oil. I got the big one. This is it. This is the 100 ml one. This is the biggest size. This one was like 13.5. That is because I bought it from an old store. I usually go to old stores. Like, I do not go to places that they're usually updating their prices. I always go to places that I know that they have not updated their prices in a while, because most time their prices tend to be lower. So I always go to stores that I know have old stock. When you go to stores that have old stock, you get things actually affordable. So that is actually what I do. I just give you a tip right now. So you see, this is actually 13.5. If you're getting this at the present price, the lowest you're going to get this presently is 15,000 naira. But I went to an old store. Cents. And I also got this Hawaii Premium Gold Soap. This one is very nice. I've used other variants of Hawaii, but I've not actually tried this particular one. But I bought it because my sister used it and she loved it, and I actually want to try it out for myself. So this is actually what it looks like. This was actually 1,700 naira. So the next thing I got is this face cream, this iTunes Beauty Collagen face cream. This is actually what it looks like inside. Can you see? This is actually what I got. I got this for, how much did I get it for? I think I got it for 3,500 to 4,000 naira. I cannot really remember because the price is not on it right now. So you just budget between 3,500 to 4,000 naira if you're trying to get this one. This one is very nice, very affordable. I also got sheet masks because I am a sheet mask girly. I love to pamper myself. I love to use things that, you know, make me feel like I'm doing something, like I'm pampering myself. This is 500 naira each. Very nice. This one is from Bio Aqua. This one is from Sadua. This one is from Muyam. These are the ones I got. I also got this one, which is the Facts Ceramide Serum. I've been seeing this all over my TikTok. Like, I've been seeing it everywhere, TikTok, Instagram, and I wanted to try it because you guys know that I have very sensitive skin. So this is something that everybody with sensitive skin should try out, because ceramide and sensitive skin are like this. If you have sensitive skin, acne, dry skin, you should hold ceramide like this. Just hold it very well, because it's going to help to strengthen your skin barrier and also fix your damaged skin barrier. So that is actually why I got it. This was 3,750 because I got it in a store that they have old stock. Go to stores that they sell old stock, guys. Go to stores that they sell old stock, and you're going to get things cheaper than when you go to places that they are always updating their, you know, prices. So that is actually what I do. And I also got this one. Oh, this is open. I got this Sugar Baby perfume oil, Surati Sugar Baby perfume oil. This is the price, 1,750. This is actually what it looks like. Oh my gosh, I love Sugar Baby. If you know me, you know that me and Sugar Baby, we have been rolling for a very long time. I love the smell. It smells very nice. And one thing about Surati oil perfumes is They have good longevity. Yes, it's small, but it's small but mighty. When you use it, it projects very, very well. It is not, something that will fade away. Like, it just has longevity. It sticks on your body throughout the day. Even it sticks on your clothes after you wash your clothes. That is actually how good these oils are. If you can actually just ignore the fact that it's very, very small, you actually enjoy it. It is very, very nice. It's a very, very nice quality oil perfume, and I've actually been using this consistently. And when I got it, I also got this from that store because look at the price, 1,750. You're not going to get this for this price anywhere else. So just look for one store that have old stocks and start shopping there. Shop there. When their price starts upgrading, you might look for somewhere else. So the next one I got is my rose water. Rose water is something that is never ever missing in my skincare routine. I love rose water. This one too, from the same store. Look at the price, 1,500. This is something I bought elsewhere for 2,500 naira, and I got this for 1,500 naira. Somebody say grace. Somebody say grace. This is actually grace. I got this from that store, and this is actually something I use as my face toner because I have very, very sensitive skin. My skin is very, very prone to irritation and also redness. And I also got this as someone that is on a budget. I have always wanted to try all those milky rice toners, all those Korean skincare toners, but those toners cost an arm and a leg. So that is actually why I got the one. I cut my coats according to my pockets at this point. That is actually why I got this one. You can see 3,500 naira. No go do it past yourself. Oh, I just anyways, no go do past yourself. If you're like, you can only afford. Can you see? It is a milky toner. I got it, and I actually used this once, and when I used it, oh my god, I loved it. The fact that it's affordable and the fact that it gave my skin this immediate glow, I love it. This is actually a milky toner. So guys, I'm actually using milky toners now. I'm not just using rose water, I'm using milky toners now. The next thing I got is I got this one for 3,750. This is actually more expensive than I got my other Sadua niacinamide and the Sadua salicylic acid I used to use, that I've recommended and also reviewed on this channel. This one, those ones I got them for 3,500 naira. This one is 3,750. I actually I'm not complaining because I've gotten those ones for like a long time and things have actually gotten expensive. And I also got this from that same store. So this one contains astaxanthin. I know you guys have not heard, a lot of people have not heard about this. This is astaxanthin. That is actually what this one contains. Astaxanthin is actually something that is gotten from salmon. Salmon is a fish, is something that they get from salmon, which is very, very nice for the skin. It helps for anti-aging, wrinkles, free radical, brightening of your skin. It's just an anti-aging ingredients. Very, very strong anti-aging ingredients. Do you know that astaxanthin is actually a lot more powerful than your vitamin C? And someone that like me, that is actually sensitive to vitamin C, I cannot use vitamin C. I just wanted something that would give me the benefit of vitamin C without the side effects I get from using vitamin C. That's actually why I got this one. Very, very pretty, very, very nice. The next one I got is this Nivea Peel Off Urban Skin Detox Mask. Oh my god, that is so long. That is just a very, very long name. This is Nivea. I didn't even know Nivea made this, but I saw this in the store, and I also got it because why wouldn't I get it? It is cheap. Because before I know it now, they will sell out. Because one thing about those people, you are not the only one that knows good deals. So when you see good deals, you grab it. This is actually it. This is 3,000 naira. Can you see? 3,000 naira for this. This is Nivea. Very, very nice. I got this one for my skin because my skin is always congested. I have very, very congested skin because I tend to have acne, oiliness, and also blackhead and whitehead. So this is going to help me detox my skin because it's a skin detox mask. I got this for 3,000 naira. And I also got hair conditioner and also shampoos. This is the one I got. This is the Nature's Gentle Touch Herbal Blend Deep Conditioner. This is the cholesterol treatment. This is a deep conditioner. Contains cholesterol, which is very, very good for fragile hair. That is actually why I got it. And this one is the Monoi Oil Natural Hair Strengthening Shampoo. This is the shampoo and this is the conditioner. They are not from they're not the same, this one is Monoi and this one is like herbal blend. I just picked them because I don't even know why I picked different ones, but I just picked them though. So this one is very, very nice. This was actually for 2,100 naira. One was 2,100 naira, one was 2,200 naira. This one was 2,200. So no, this one was 2,200, this one was 2,100 naira, and it's very, very nice, like cheap. This one I saw it somewhere else close to 4,000 naira. I'm telling you, go to places that they have old stock. Go to places that they have old stock. You guys will know here. Go to places that they have old stock, because you're not going to get this one anywhere else for this price. And that's actually why I just gathered everything, because I know that it's going to actually benefit me, and it's something that's going to help me save money. So these are the two conditioner and shampoos I got. As someone who loves oil perfume, you know I got other oil perfumes. This is the Mako, it's called Mako Pink Berries oil perfume. This is actually what it looks like inside. It smells, oh my gosh, it smells like blend of different berries. It smells so sweet. I love it, I love it, I love it. And it's also very, very nice. It smells nice. I love it. And it was 1,000 naira. Where are you going to see a perfume oil like this quality perfume oil? Not all those ones, you know, perfume oil has grade. This type of perfume oil for 1,000 naira. Like, tell me, where is it? In Nigeria? Where? So look for where you can be getting things cheap, where they have old stock, like I said before. I also got this Sugar Baby. This was another Sugar Baby. I know I showed you guys this one. This is another Sugar Baby, but to me this does not smell alike. They do not smell alike at all. I know when I saw this one, I was like, oh, Sugar Baby. This is the first one I smelled, you know. I was like, this doesn't smell like Sugar Baby, because I use Sugar Baby. I've been using Sugar Baby for a very long time. This one smells like strawberry, like straight strawberry, just fruits. Sugar Baby doesn't really smell like fruits, you know, but this smells like straight strawberries, just strawberries. And I was like, wow. And it's very, very nice. It comes in this spray bottle. It is oily, but it has like this atomizer. Very beautiful. I love it. I got this one for 3,700. This is the most expensive oil perfume I got, because I love it and I just had to get it. So I'm going to be pairing this with the other one. I'm going to be pairing this together, because this are actually berry scented. You know, most times you need to actually pair like fragrances that are in the same fragrance family together if you want something that is going to be cohesive. You don't want something that's going to be like too much on like your nose. Another thing I got this eye pencil. This is Davis eye pencil, the OG Davis eye pencil. This is a color 3. I got this for my eyebrows when I draw my eyebrows. I also got this Lasgidi Vanilla Crush perfume. I mean body mist. This is actually what I got. It smells so nice. It smells like vanilla. And I'm someone that loves vanilla. One thing about this body mist I notice is that when you spray this body mist, it tends to smell very, very artificial. It tends to smell like chemicals. So I noticed that when you spray it on your body, just let it sit for a while. And after it sits, now you're going to be smelling that sweet vanilla smell. The chemical smell is going to fade away, and you're going to be left with that beautiful vanilla smell. And guess how much I got it from the same store? Can you see? 1,800 naira. Very affordable. This is like 2,500 now, if not 3,000 naira, and I got it for 1,800 naira. Clock it. So I also got the Lasgidi Niger Bumbum Cream. It came in this container. It's torn, as you can see. This is actually it. I love it. I love it. It smells good. I love it because I can pair it with this if I'm going on a date, if I'm going out. Smell very, very sweet, very, very nice. They pair so well together because it smells like salted caramel, pistachio, vanilla. Very, very nice smell. These two are going to be like my fragrance, like fragrance notes, something I'm going to be using to layer my fragrances. I'm not going to be using this to layer the strawberry fragrances because those ones are going to clash, but I'm going to be using this as my skin scents because I like to use things that smell edible on my skin, you know, because I like to smell edible. Wow. So I'm going to be using this on my skin. This is going to be my skin scents when I'm going to be doing, you know, a vanilla themed, you know, scent. I'm going to be going for a vanilla themed, you know, scents. What would I call it? Scent palette. I don't know. And also I got my Baby the Palmer's Cocoa Butter. This one shop my money. This one shop my money. It shop my money a lot because this is like 12,000 naira. I know it's more than 12,000 naira now, but like this is like 12,000 naira, almost 13,000 naira. I got this. So this is actually the last thing I got. This is actually the last thing I got. I've been using this one. I know that this one is like, it's a banger. It's like an OG in my skincare routine. I've already talked about this before. I recommended it too, and these are the things that I got. I wish I can show you like how it looks like on the floor right now. Everywhere just scattered. That's okay. And I also got this from one guy, not from the store. This is actually a hair mask for when I take down my all back. We're going to help like I'm just going to put on my hair, just pamper myself a little bit. So that is actually all I got. And at this point I don't have any more money because I've spent all my money on skincare. So pray for me. At least I don't have money, but at least I'm going to be glowing. So a win is a win. So guys, we have come to the end of today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, please subscribe and also turn on your notifications so whenever I drop a video you'll be notified. And also please share this video if you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, drop it down. I always reply. Just go through my channel. I always reply comments. Like, you will not drop any comment that I will not reply. So guys, we have come to the end of today's video. If you enjoyed it, please like this video, and I will see you in my next one.